Hello, today I'm going to show you how to transfer files from Apple device to your computer. For this task you have to download File Master application to your Apple device from App Store. Once you have downloaded, open the application. Then tap More on the bottom right corner. And select Import Photos. I will choose some photos and videos, then tap Import. Now you can see the selected files on the dashboard. And tap on More again and select Wi-Fi transfer. And switch on. Make sure that you are connected your Apple device and the computer with the same Wi-Fi connection. Now go to your computer. Open your web browser. Now type the IP address which you can see on your File Master application. And press Enter. Now you have logged into File Master portal. And you can see our copied files. You can easily download the files now into your computer. Just like the opposite way, you can upload any file to your File Master portal, and access them on your Apple device. Just drag and drop the files to here. Now we will check File Master portal on your Apple device. You can see copied files now. You can easily send these files via WhatsApp, Viber or attach to your email as well. Hope this video was helpful for your matter. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.